Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Students, this is your class 7 math class and today we are starting with the chapter 1, that is rational number, an important chapter for your periodic test 1. If you are aiming for full mark in math, then you are the right place. Stay with me till the end of the video because today we will cover the concept with example. And in the next class, we will solve all the worksheet and the brain teaser step by step. So before start, first we discuss the syllabus. The first chapter in periodic test 1, the first chapter is rational number. Okay. And the second is operation on the rational number. Third is rational number as decimal. Understand? So now start the session. So first, our aim is first we complete concept known, okay, then we solve the worksheet and the brain teaser, then revise, then conduct a test, okay. So now start. First is, first of all we know about what is natural number. Then tell me what is natural number. Now natural number means counting number, or you can say the number which starts from 1. Okay, so take pen and note and write down. Natural number means the number which starts from 1. 1, 2, 3, etc. are the natural number. And it is denoted by the capital N. Okay. And then what is whole number? Now whole number is denoted by capital W. And the number which starts from 0 is called the whole number. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, ... Okay. Means we cannot find the largest natural number and the largest whole number. Okay. Now the next concept is integer. Then what is integer? Integer you can denote by the capital Z or capital I. Okay. Now what is integer? Now whole number with negative number. That is minus 1, minus 2, then 0, then 1, 2, ... are the integer. Okay, simply you remember, now all the whole number with negative number are called integer. Okay, now the next also remember what is positive integer. Okay, before first we understand what is fraction. Fraction means fraction is a part of the whole. Suppose you have a whole, suppose this is a pizza, means if you want to this part, then we can say that 1 upon 4, that is 1/4, means this is a fraction, means fraction is a part of whole. Okay, and always remember fraction always positive. Okay, then what is rational number? Now remember, rational number is the number which in the form of P by Q or A by B. And where what is P and what is Q? Now P and Q are integer. Okay, P and Q are integer and Q is not equal to 0. This is the rational number definition. Okay, then what is the difference between fraction and rational number? Then fraction always positive, but rational number may be negative, positive and 0. Okay, now the next concept, that is positive rational number. Okay, positive rational number. Then what is positive rational number? Now positive rational number means the sign are equal, denominator and the numerator sign are equal, means we can write 2 by 7 is a positive rational number. Yes. Minus 2 by minus 7, yes, it is a positive number because minus minus cancel. Okay, then what is negative rational number? Sign is different, numerator and the denominator sign is different. Okay, means we can write minus 2 by 7, it is a negative rational number, minus 1 by 7, or we can write 1 by minus 2. This is also a negative rational number. Understand? Now, sir, 0 is a rational number. Yes, 0 is a rational number and it is neither positive nor negative. Okay. Now the next concept is equivalent rational number. Then what is equivalent rational number? Suppose P by Q is a rational number and R by S is another rational number. Means these rational numbers are equivalent in case P into S is equal to Q into R. Understand? Suppose example 2 by 7 is a rational number. Okay. Now 14 by 28. Okay. 14 by 28 is another rational number. Okay. If they are equivalent, take another example is 4 by 28. 4 by 14. Now, first we multiply, that is 2 into 14. How much? Now that is 28. Now again we multiply 7 with 4, that is 28. They are same. They are same means these are equivalent fraction. So you can write here is same, that is 2 by 7 and 4 by 14 are equivalent rational number. Understand? So what is the uses of the equivalent rational number? Now, how to use? Now suppose a rational number is given, that is 2 by 25. Okay. Now we should find the numerator as 16. Numerator as 16. How to find the denominator? In this case, we need the equivalent rational number. How? Now first we clearly notice that is 2 multiply with 8, then it will be 16. Yes or no? Simply we multiply with 8 as denominator, that is 25 8 ja 200. So why we multiply? Now rational number properties are there. You should remember the two properties. What are the two properties? Means we can suppose this is a rational number, that is P by Q. If any number we can multiply. Suppose M is an integer, we can multiply non-zero integer, not the zero integer. Okay, non-zero integer, then we can multiply in both sides. Okay. Suppose P by Q is another rational number, you can divide both sides. M means same integer, we can divide a non-zero integer. Okay. This is the two properties. That's why we multiply 8. If we multiply 8, then same we can multiply the denominator by 8. This is the property of the rational number. Now the denominator is 200. Okay. Now how to find the division type? Now suppose the number is bigger number, that is 36 divided by suppose 40. Now we find the denominator is suppose 9. 8. 8 no, 4, 10. Suppose 10. Now the question is find the numerator. Okay, how to find? Now simply check 40 becomes 10. How? Now divided. Then which number divided? Now 4. Simply we divided 4 with numerator. Then we get the numerator, that is 9. Yes or no? This is the application of equivalent rational number. Understand? Now the next concept, that is the standard form of rational number. Okay, then what is the standard form? The standard form means we can solve in two steps, the step 1 and the step 2. Okay, the step 1 is, suppose a example is 2 by minus 8. Convert into standard form. The first step is minus must be in the numerator, not the denominator. The first we multiply. So 2 divided by minus 8 multiply with minus 1 in both sides. Then the minus sign denominator will be cancelled because minus minus plus. Yes or no? That is 8. Here is minus 2. And the second step is lowest term. Means HCF is 1. Now find the HCF of 2 and 8. Then what is the HCF? Now 2. Because 2 is factor of 8. That's why HCF is 2 and LCM is 8. Yes or no? Already learned in class 5 or 6. Now we divide this HCF with both numerator and the denominator. Means we can divide, that is minus 2 by 8 with 2 and 2. Now the numerator is minus 1 and the denominator is 4. This is the standard form of the rational number. Okay. Suppose example 2. The example 2 is solve standard form, that is question is 12 divided by minus 18. So how to solve? Now the first step is minus sign B, numerator. Okay, so first we multiply. So 12 into minus 1, then minus 8 multiply minus 1, that is minus 12 divided by 18. Yes or no? And the second step is divide with SCF, or directly you can cancel. 6 3 ja, 6 2 ja. So answer is minus 2 by 3. This is the answer. Okay. Now the another type, example 3. The question is minus 22 divided by minus 55 convert into standard form. How to convert? Now here simply denominator is minus sign. So first we convert minus sign into plus sign, because denominator always in standard form, that is positive. Yes or no? Now we convert, that is minus 22 into minus 1, the first step, minus 55 into minus 1. Yes or no? That is 22 divided by 55. Now again cancel, but divide with SCF, that is 22 11, SCF is 11, sorry 22 55, SCF is 11, simply divided with 11, or you can cancel 11 2 ja, 11 5 ja. So answer is 2 by 5. Any doubt? Means standard form you clear. Now next concept is absolute value. First of all, understand absolute value sign is double vertical bar, or you can say that it is called modulus, or simply you can tell mod. Okay. Now suppose 2 by 5, what is the absolute value? Same, simply write 2 by 5. Then what is minus 2 by 5? Now that is only 2 by 5. Don't write the sign, only write the number. Suppose 2 by minus 5, what is the absolute value? Now simply write 2 by 5. Then what is minus 2 by minus 5 absolute value? Same, simply write 2 by 5. Means we can write a number, means 2 by 5, which number absolute value is 2 by 5. That is 2 by 5 absolute value is 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5 absolute value is 2 by 5. And 2 by minus 5 is absolute value is also 2 by 5. And minus 2 by minus 5 absolute value is 2 by 5. Yes or no? Means we can say that find all the rational number whose absolute value is 2 by 5 are 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5, 2 by minus 5, minus 2 by minus 5. Yes or no? No. Then what is the 0 by minus 4 absolute value? Simply 0. Okay. All of you understand what is absolute value? Now the next concept, that is number line. Okay. Number line, I will tell you two methods. You can solve in two methods. Okay. The first of all, understand through question. Suppose example 1, that is the minus 5 by 2. Okay. And next is minus 21 by 4. Okay. Here simply write down minus 5 by 7, not 2. Okay. So first we draw the number line. Okay. Here is minus, so that's why we start from right side. Here is 0, then 1, sorry minus 1, then minus 2, then minus 3, etc. Yes or no? Now it is a proper fraction. Yes or no? Because numerator is small, denominator is big, means it is a proper fraction. Proper fraction always lie 0 to 1. Okay. Or first of all, convert all the fraction into proper fraction. If the suppose here is improper fraction, first of all convert it to mixed number, that is 4 5 ja 20, then 1 by 4. Yes or no? Now you can solve in number line. This is the one method. The second method I will tell in after some times. Okay. First we understand the first method, how to solve. Okay. So now minus 5 by 7, we know that this lie between 0 to 1. Yes or no? Therefore this is the minus, that's why we say that this number lie between the 0 to minus 1. Yes, so means 0 to minus 1. Now check, here denominator is 7. Yes or no? Now mark 6 line between 0 to minus 1, because here is denominator is 7. Means you should divide 0 to 1 into 7 equal part. Means you can draw the 6 line. Okay. Simply minus 1 and draw it. Here is 7. That's why you draw the 6 line. So 1 line. Okay. 2 line. 3 line. 4 line, 5 line, 6 line. Yes or no? And here numerator is 5. So count 5 number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the answer. Minus 5 by 7. Okay. Now this is how to solve. Now this is the minus 5 whole 1 by 4. Means this number line is between minus 5 and minus 6. Because minus 5 more than means minus 5 and minus 6. Means we can draw, suppose this is the number line. This is 0, 1, sorry, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, then minus 6. Means we should draw how many lines? 4 means 3 lines. Simply decrease by 1, then draw the line. 3 line. Which number, which 2 integer? That is minus 6 and minus 5. So minus 5 and minus 6, 3 line. So 1 line, 2 line, 3 line. Means it will be divided into 4 equal part. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the numerator is 1, the first line. The first line is here. Okay. So this is the answer. Minus 5 whole 1 by 4. Okay. All of you understand? Now the next example. The example is 2 by 5. And here is 12 by 11 by 3. Okay. Now solve. Draw a number line. Here is positive means here starts with 0, then 1, then 2. Here it is a proper fraction or starts from 0. Yes or no? So 0 to 1 first we divide into 5 equal part means 4 line. 1, 2, 3, 4 line. Numerator is 2 means second line. Simply write 2 by 5. Here is 11 by 3. First we convert into mixed number. That is 3 is 9, 2 by 3. Yes or no? Now draw the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, then 4. Okay. This number lie between 3 and 4. Now convert 3 and 4 into equal 3 part because denominator is 3. Means we draw 2 line. Simply decrease 1, then draw 2 line. 1 and 2 line. Yes or no? Now here is 2. Numerator 2 means second line. This is the second line. So answer is 11 by 3. All of you understand this method? Now the next method. Okay. The next method is first, suppose the question is 5 by 6. Sorry, 5 by 4 by 7. So how to draw? Now first draw a number line. Starts with 0. The first one is 1 by 7. Second one is 2 by 7. Then 3 by 7. 4 by 7. 5 by 7. 6 by 7. Then 7 by 7 is 1. Then 8 by 7. Then 9 by 7. Our question is 4 by 7. Where is 4 by 7? Here is 4 by 7. Answer. Now the next question is 21 divided by 5. Simply draw a number line. Now here is 0. First one is 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, then 5 by 5 is 1. Then 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5, 10 by 5 is 2. Then 11 by 5, 12 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5, 15 by 5, that is 3. Then 16 by 5, 17 by 5, 18 by 5, 19 by 5, 20 by 5 is 4. Then 21 by 5. This is the answer. Okay, then you can solve this method. Understand? Now The next concept, comparing the rational number. Okay. So before we in class 5 already know that if the denominator same, that is 1 by 7 and 2 by 7, which one is greater? The numerator big, that one is greater, that is 2 by 7 is greater, yes or no? If the numerator same, suppose 3 by 7 and 3 by 2, which one is greater? The denominator is small, that one is greater, that is 3 by 2 is greater, yes or no? Now, if the denominator are different, suppose 2 by 5 and numerator also different, suppose 1 by 3, how to solve? Now cross multiply. Now first we multiply 2 into 3, that is 6, then we multiply 5 into 1, that is 5. Which one is greater? Now first one is greater, then you can write 2 by 5 greater than 1 by 3. You already know about in class 5, yes or no? This is the 3 method. First is denominator same, second is numerator same, third is both are different. Okay, that are the 3 cases. How to compare the rational number? Simply plus minus. Okay, the first, suppose the example is 2 by 7, okay, and minus 3 by 9. Sir, here is denominator are different, numerator are different, but positive and negative sign. So no need to check numerator and the denominator. Only check which one is positive, which one is negative. Here is 2 by 7 is positive. Always positive greater than negative. Yes or no? This is the one type. And the another type is, suppose minus 2 by 5 and 1 by minus 3. So how to solve? By how to compare? Now first of all convert into standard form, then compare, otherwise incorrect ହେଇଯିବ. Okay, so first we convert into standard form. First 2 by minus 2 by 5 already in standard form, but 1 by minus 3 is not in standard form. First convert, that is minus 1 by 3. Now compare. Here is numerator and denominator different, yes or no? This is the case number 3rd, that we cross multiply. So first we cross multiply, that is minus 2 into 3, that is minus 6. Then 5 into minus 1, that is minus 5. Yes or no? Which one is bigger? In negative sign, the smaller one is bigger. That's why second is bigger. That's why less than. Answer. Okay. Now example 2. So solve. The question is minus 4 by 9 and 5 by minus 6. So how to solve? So first we sign numerator को जीवो, that is minus 4 by 9 and minus 5 by 6. Then cross multiply. Minus 4 into 6, that is minus 24. Then 9 into minus 5, that is minus 45. Which one is greater? Now minus 24 is greater, means first one, means greater than. All of you clear? Now another type, that is minus 2 by minus 5 and 2 by 3. So how to solve? Now first convert standard form, that is only 2 by 5, because minus minus sign cancel. Then 2 by 3, then cross multiply. Now here is numerator same. Numerator same means denominator small means bigger. That's why less than. All of you clear? Now the next concept, that is the ascending and the descending order. Okay, so how to solve ascending and the descending order? Suppose the question is minus 7 by 10, comma 8 by minus 15, comma 19 by 30, comma minus 2 by minus 5. First of all check here the 8 by minus 15 and minus 2 by minus 5, that is the denominator in minus sign. So convert denominator into positive sign. Okay, so first we write minus 7 by 10, comma minus 8 by 15, comma 19 by 30, then 2 by 5. Okay, now take LCM of denominator. So LCM of 10, 15, 30, 5 is how much? Now all the multiple of 30, yes or no? That's why 30 is the LCM. Or simply you can find the in process, that is 10, 15, 30 and 5. First we divide with 5, 5 2 ja, 5 3 ja, 5 6 ja, 1 ja. then 2. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 3 1, then again 3. Okay. Now the answer is 5 2 ja 10, 3 ja 30. Now convert all the fraction denominator into 30. Then we check, because we know if the denominator are same, then we can compare, otherwise not. That's why first of all we convert all the denominator into 30. The first one is minus 7 by 10. Convert minus 10 into, minus 7 into 10 into, that is 10 3 ja, 7 into 3, that is minus 21 divided by 30. Similarly, convert other fraction, other rational number, that is minus 8 by 15. So we multiply minus 8 into 15 into how much? 2. That is minus 16 by 30. The third one already in the 30 denominator, no need to convert, or you can convert into 1. That is 19 into 1 and 30 into 1. That is 19 by 30. And second one, the last one is 2 by 5. That is 2 into and 5 into 6, that is 6, 12 by 30. Okay. So tell me which one is ascending. Means first we write the smallest means numerator is big, that is minus 21 divided by 30, then minus 16 by 30, then 12 by 30, then 19 by 30. Okay, this is the arrange in ascending order. Now write the original rational number, that is minus 21 by 30, that is minus 21 30 means we can write minus 7 by 10, less than minus 16 means we can write minus 8 by 15, then we can write 2 by 5, then we write 19 by 30. All of you understand? This is the answer. If the question asks write the descending order, the first we write 19 by 30, then 12 by 30, then minus 16 by 30, then minus 21 by 30. Only the order will be reverse. All the steps are equal. Okay. Now next concept, that is average. Okay. Then what is average? Now remember, average means sum of the observation or sum of the numbers divided by total number. Total number. If the question asks, suppose example, find the average of 2 by 3, 5 by 6, 1 by 5. How to find? Now first we solve, write down average. The average formula is sum of the number, that is 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6 plus 1 by 5. Yes or no? Divided by total number. How many numbers are there? 3 number. That's why write 3. Now, first take LCM, because we know that how to solve the addition of the rational number. Now, first we take LCM, but first we convert into denominator equal, then we added. Now, first take LCM. LCM is 30. In 3 table, 3 10s are 30. So, write down 10 into numerator, that is 2. Plus 6 5 ja, write 5 into 5, plus 5 6 ja, so write 6 into 1. Okay. Now divided by 3. Now 10 2 ja, 20 plus 5 5 ja, 25 plus 6 divided by 30. Okay. Divided by 3. Then 20 plus 20, 40, 45, 51. So 51 divided by 30 whole divided by 3, or we can write 1 by 3, because two fractions are divided. We can write the second fraction will be reciprocal when we multiply. So now cancel 17 3 ja, so 17 divided by 30 is the answer. Okay. Now next type question is hot type. So how to solve? Now suppose this is a number line. This is 2, this is 1, and this is 0. And suppose this is T, and this is U. The question is TR is equal to RS is equal to SU. Means T and U is divided into 3 equal parts. Yes or no? Suppose this is T, this is R, this is S. Okay, this is U. Means TR is equal to RS is equal to SU. Yes or no? Means we can write here is R and here is S. Okay. Now the question is, write the R rational number. Okay. So tell me, after 1, okay, after 1, so that's why first we write 1 whole. How many? Now it is divided into 3 equal parts. Yes or no? That's why denominator is 3. And what is the numerator? R is the second number. That's why 2. Now write and 1 3 is 3, 2, 5 by 3. Yes or no? Now the question is S. Write the S rational number. Now how to write the S? Now S is after 1, so that's why we write 1 whole. Numerator is 1 because the first line, so 1. Okay, this is minus, sorry. Minus. So 1 and divided by denominator is 3 because 3 equal part. Now 1 3 is 3, 4 by 3 minus because 0 left side is negative, na? Okay. Now suppose U and here is, sorry, here is 1, here is 2 and here is 3 and here is A and B. Okay. Here is, suppose the question is AB is equal to BC is equal to CD. Here is D, sorry, D. Now in AD there are the 3 equal parts. Yes or no? Means you can draw, here is B and here is C. Same. Write the B. So how to write the B rational number? Now after 2, that's why first we write 2. Then which position? The first position divided by how many parts? Now 3 parts. Now 2 3 is 6, 7 by 3. All if you understand. Now all the concept was completed. Okay. In next class we solve all the worksheet and the brain teaser in detail. Okay. If any doubt, then you can comment. If you found this class helpful, don't forget to like, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And yes, comment your doubt below. I will take them up in doubt class. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning and target full mark in math. See you in the next video.